was that essentially we thought that, look, we had created this twitsnaps.com and we felt that there should be some way in which we should go ahead and interact and share more about what's happening in the social media platform. Otherwise, Compare Infobase was a very closed company, and it even remains, our DNA is very closed. We are not very marketing oriented, we are not very outward. So we were very inward company. So we thought that let us have an outward platform where we go beyond four doors of office. That's a different story that last 15, 20 we have done inside the office. But the idea was to essentially break free from a closed door environment and to have some platform where everybody can share freely their thoughts, ideas, and it will be a kind of a learning exercise which is happening every week, week after week. And so far the whole experience has been very good, as you also rightly said. It is that every time you come over here, you learn something which you were not aware of, and that's something which is a good take. And then it helps that the same can be implemented at work, at other places, and so on and so forth. So we have seen in last 75 weeks, we have seen a lot of loyalties changing. We have seen people becoming more open to accepting the change and everything, you see. From a Twitter loyalist 100% to accepting Facebook to kind of trying Google Plus. I think I have accepted the change as it is happening in the social media world. From the stage where Twitter was supposed to be the center of the whole social media universe to maybe it is an also ran or something like that. I have accepted how the things have come, and this group has helped me in doing that. So that's a little background to it.
Hi, my name is Nivesh and I joined Compare in February this year, and like Sima said, the platform has helped us in understanding social media better and then using it on our own.
One line for everybody, it was for Sima. I'm just kidding.
मेरा full stop नहीं था.
No, I'm kidding.
Okay, I'm Marianne and I'm content editor with Maps of India, and I joined Compare in May. So it's been excellent since then. There's been a lot of learning and I've enjoyed coming for the SMBTS because again you're exposed to a lot of things that you may not be aware of otherwise. So yeah, it's been good.
Hi, I'm Nupur. I've just joined in CIL in September and it's my third SMBTS and I guess it's a very interactive session.
Hi, I'm Vikas. I am not a part of your company, as you can see. I'm Ashish's friend, and it is my first time attending a social media breakfast, and I hope to learn something worthwhile.
Hi, I'm Arjun. So this, like you said, I'm not from this company, you can make that out. And this is my first meeting. So I've been using social media till the extent of using Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, but I want to start blogging. So when I heard that the topic, going to discuss about Tumblr, and so really looking forward to this meeting. Yeah.
Perfect, thanks. And I'm Ashish. I'm hosting this thing today. So why we chose this topic today? Because this was the 75th, and we wanted it, to start a new series to make a dent, till we reach the 100. Because we've had, a lot of, awesome conversations, witnessed, the evolution of social media. So, last time we thought there was an idea we were discussing. Money gave this idea, I remember. And it came down to, let's have a 10-part series where we look at one social media tool or platform. And that's not Facebook or Twitter. Of course, we can look at that in detail because we've discussed that. Everybody's on that, like mostly. So we look at other platforms and tools which are really very popular and how we can use them to, use social media effectively or communicate effectively. So the first thing which came to my mind was Tumblr, because I've suggested Tumblr to a lot of friends who were getting started with publishing online, publishing a blog. Once a friend was going cross country to Canada from one place to the other, he said, Ashish, I need a blog I can post pictures on. I thought I can suggest him WordPress or Blogger, all the free available blogging tools. But then again, like Tumblr is to blogs what Apple is to computer, in my opinion. It is simple to use, super easy to use. It is beautiful, and it connects, very nicely to your Facebook and Twitter. So I just told him, download this app, open this account, and wherever you go, click a picture and upload it from your iPhone or Android now as well. And over the course of like 2 months, I've seen his life in pictures on Tumblr, and because it keeps updating on Facebook and Twitter all the time. So that's why, like, I spoke to a friend after that as well. I've been an advocate for Tumblr because it's so easy to get started. Like, and I think everybody needs a voice online because now everybody has a chance and the platform to broadcast. So that's why, we chose Tumblr as the theme, and that was the basic introduction about Tumblr. So how this meeting will proceed is, we'll first cut the cake. That's the 75th thing, and only people who were there the first 5 will be cutting the cake. Because that's just, I make the rules.